As the US presidential election date approaches, the US dollar remains on an upward trajectory in the trading charts. This is not just about the so-called Trump trading, which suggests a new round of inflation in the US economy. It's about the economic stability of the country, which can withstand high interest rates in the long term. Now let us find out how Forex will react to the macroeconomic reports coming in the next 2 days, October 23 and 24. You're watching Traders Calendar. Before diving into the figures, let us remind you that the annual meeting of the IMF and the World Bank Group is taking place these days. The forum's program includes speeches by central banks officials. Their comments may affect asset movements. For example, tomorrow, ECB President Christine Lagarde will provide a speech that coincides with the release of the Eurozone Consumer Confidence Index. The indicator may rise by 0.4 points to minus 12.5 points. If the predictions comes true, the euro will inch up. On the same day, Russia will disclose its industrial production data. If it confirms the expected 0.5% growth, the ruble will get a positive signal. However, the ruble is currently influenced by the situation at the Moscow exchange, which remains under US sanctions. Some prospects for resolving this issue may arise at the BRICS summit running from October 22 to 24. Thursday's macroeconomic data will mainly focus on business activity indexes. Experts at the World Bank point out that global economic growth rates are stabilizing for the first time in 3 years. However, these rates remain below recent historical levels. For example, despite an anticipated rise to 49.9 points, Japan's manufacturing PMI will still remain below the critical 50-point mark. However, an increase in the index could strengthen the yen. The euro also has a chance to gain value. If Germany's manufacturing PMI shows even a slight increase of 0.2 points, moving away from its steady months-long decline, it would indicate that the Eurozone's leading economy is avoiding the threat of a recession, and this would serve as a bullish factor for the euro. Regarding the Eurozone as a whole, its manufacturing PMI is 5 points higher than Germany's, although both are still in a contraction territory below 50 points. Any jump in business activity is welcomed by the market. Therefore, if the Eurozone manufacturing index climbs, the euro will get one more reason to appreciate against major trading partners. However, the euro may not celebrate its strength against the US dollar for long. With the next non-farm payroll data due on November 1st, traders will again turn their attention to the American labor market, and this week the focus will be on initial jobless claims, which may increase to 247,000. Any downward deviation from the predictions would signal the dollar's strength. 1 hour later, the US will disclose its manufacturing PMI figures, possibly reinforcing the trend. The indicator is expected to rise to 47.5 points. Given that this index has been declining for 3 consecutive months, a turnaround could offer an optimistic signal for buyers of the greenback. Please note that the time of publications and video is set in a GMT plus 3 time. The next video review of Traders Calendar will be released on Thursday, October 24. We wish you profitable trading, subscribe to our channel, and follow news with us. See you soon.